animation designer demonstration here. So let me, I've got this pin right in my screen. I cannot see it in my buttons. So here we go. And I have the camera right in my line of view so you can see my shiny face, my smiley face. All right, so what we have here is an excavator here, and we'd like to build a fence around this thing, but I have really no idea what its range of motion is. If I grab this bucket and move it around, you know, it can go up, it can go down, it can rotate, it can go back and forth. It's got a bazillion different combinations on where it can go. I want to figure that out automatically. So new command up here called iterative envelope lets me do just that. You specified the range of joints, whether I'm going from minus 100 to 100 degrees for the rotation of the entire sort of excavator. The bucket can kind of lift and go back and forth through its range of motion. The arm can swing back forward through its range of motion, and so on and so forth. And you can kind of see what this thing is supposed to do. Now, what do you want to evaluate? I'm just going to pick this end bucket here, hit the go button, and it is going to generate all possible combinations, an envelope for that, so I can see exactly what this sort of keep out range is for my my excavator. So if you want to build a fence around this thing, you better build it bigger than that orange or that purple body there. Otherwise, your crane is going to bump into it. If you don't believe me, we'll go ahead and move this body around, and you can see how it's hitting the outer limits of that area there, so you can see exactly what we're working with here. It's a great way of doing an iterative solve on all possible combinations. There's lots of applications for this. One particular customer wanted to do this for their seats. The seat can go forward, it can go back, up and down, tilt forward, tilt back, and sort of slant, recline back and forth. Is it ever going to bump into the steering wheel? That's what this iterative solve is going to do for you. Now they know without doing anything other than run the command, and there you go. I love the command. It's obviously very easy to use. The results that you get are actually 3 different bodies that you get that you can hide and show. If you want to show them individually or some of the different ranges, you can do that if you want to.